Since naman I've been like that. No, it's just my dedication to my craft. It's just my love for my audience. It's just my way of giving back something to the public that's been so good to me. The
Pero
business.
napakabuo. You lost weight. Hindi ba? Mahirap?
Mahirap po magpapayat, pero disiplina lang talaga eh. Yung I was so tired of not being able to wear the kind of clothes I wanted to wear. Nahihiya ako lumabas dahil baka may mga manibago na, ba't naman ganyan ang itsura niya ngayon? Yung ganon na, although hindi ako na-affect pag sinasabing taba naman niya. Pag may nagsabi, taba mo raw, totoo naman. Ganun ako. We're married and we trust each other and we love each other. We've been together almost 4 years. We've been through a lot. We bonded in Boston. You know what I mean? Ano siya, yung reasonable. I did my duties as a wife. I waited to have a child. I tried my best. I didn't do anything except for my TV show for almost, mag-1 year na yung show next month. Tapos, add pa the 1 year in Boston, di ba?
But was there a time na...
Ayoko
Okay.
Because my priority was really to have a child. Pero since natatagalan, feeling ko, let's not push it if the Lord is not really giving it at this time. Hindi kasi ibig sabihin ko 5 taon bago ako bigyan ng Panginoon ng anak, 5 taon nakangangalang ako sa bahay. Ang alam din ng asawa ko na mas maligaya akong tao, mas mabuti akong asawa, mas mabuti akong ina, pag maligaya ako. Ang kinaliligaya ko yung trabaho ko rin. Yun lang naman ang meron ako.
Alin ang boses ni Casey at alin yung boses mo?
You know, everybody...
talented.
Everybody, thank you. Everybody that knows us, lalo, even my backup singers, my vocal coach, Olive Isidro, kapatid ni
Sultana.
Agot. Si Sultana.
Tawag ko dyan si Sultana.
Alam, she saw Casey from the time magkaibigan si Casey at yung anak niya, sabay lumaki. Alam niya ang boses siya rin pag nag-guest noon na surprise sa Sharon, nung tabachichay pa siya, maliit pa siya. Alam ni Olive, pero hindi niya nakilala yung timbre. Pareho daw kaming timbre.
Gusto gumawa ng isang awitin si Casey?
Gumawa siya, pero personal niya yun eh. Mahal niya,
Pinakita niya sa'yo?
Oo. But Casey is very deep. Ibang
Napakalalim
mag-isip.
daw nga,
Nung 14 ako, hindi ako ganun
You remember the lyrics?
Sabi niya, Mama, she actually told me about it. Ayaw niya ipakita lahat. Sabi niya sa akin, Mama, sabi ko, what's it about, Iha? And then she said, parang, why'd you have to go? Ganyan. Something like that for her baby brother or sister daw. Kasi nakita niya yung pain ko.
At may naisulat din siyang awitin on Mother's Day? Ibinigay ba niya
Marami
sa'yo?
siyang gano'n. Poem actually binigay
How
niya
was
sa
that?
akin.
How does it go, if you remember the poem?
Meron pa siyang yung mga times na nagno-naughty siya. I'm sorry for all the ganito I've caused you. Parang, I hope you don't think I've changed. I hope ganito. Kasi lumalaki na siya. Syempre bilang nanay, insecure ako kasi lumalaki na yung anak ko. Tama, naiiyak ako. Kasi alam mo, for 9 years, you and me against the world, kaming dalawa eh. At kaming dalawa lang. So, bilang nanay, yung lumalaki na siya, dumaan ako dun eh. So I know she's starting to spread her wings. It scares me. You know,
Na
to
isang
lose...
araw, iiwanan ka rin.
No, to lose a relationship. The relationship I have with her. But, I know she loves me. I love her. Ano ba yan? Kaumpisa lang.
Oo nga eh.
Honey, penging tissue, honey.
Sharon,
Please.
pag-usap...
Huwag ka agad-agad maniniwala na ang pagmamahal forever. Dapat hindi kasi pagmamahal lang eh. In a relationship, you have to really hit it off. Yung magkasundo kayo, you have the same values. Kasi mahirap i-maintain ang isang relationship kung ang puhunan mo, pagmamahal lang. Although it's the most important
Dapat
ingredient.
holistic, buo.
Holistic, oo. Okay, hindi yung kaya ko yan, titiisin ko lang kasi mahal ko, nawawala yun eh.
Pero karamihan ng bata kasi nabubuhay.
You never, kunyari ako pinalaki ako na matino yung pagpapalaki sa akin ng mga magulang ko. Lahat ng mali ko, ako may mali doon. Walang mali ang magulang ko. Kasi sinabi nila kung ano yung dapat kong gawin, hindi ko sinunod.
Hindi mo lang sinunod.
Oo, so sinasabi ko kay Casey, anak, nakita mo, ito dinaanan ko, ayokong umiyakan. Hindi mo alam kung talagang merong nakikipagkaibigan sa'yo dahil lahat ba ng mali ko sa buhay ko, lahat ng mistakes ko, matatanggap mo at mamahal mo.
Pang CI ka lang, pang corporate image
yun,
ka lang.
Oo, diba?
Kaibigan ko si Sharon eh.
Yung ganon, pag
I like
laos na ba ako, nandiyan ka pa rin.
Correct. May
Konti lang naman kayo.
in-offer si Casey ng commercial. Anong sabi ng anak mo?
Ayaw niya. Muna, she's not ready.
I like that question eh.
Oo, nandun siya sa stage na yung I think gusto niya ng anonymity as much,
As
kahit
possible.
na konti lang yung makuha
Kahit
niya.
hindi posible.
Oo, pero ang sabi rin niya, Mama, do they wanna get me?